Right, so a bit of a different video today, so I'm not going to say a joke, but I'm going to tell you something to try that made me, the wife and kids crease for, I'm going to say a good 20 minutes. So say it out loud as well, and say Irish wristwatch. Whoever you sat next to as well, ask them, and let me know in the comments section down below what happened. Right, so like I said, today's video is a little bit different, and a couple of weeks back I ordered a mystery box from Wish.com. Now as we know, Wish.com are renowned for really low prices on pretty much everything. So I didn't have high hopes for this, but I actually got over 60 items for less than £30. Well, it did come in at just over £30 including shipping. So if you follow me on Twitter, I put it on there and a lot of people said they'd be interested in seeing what I got. So that's what this video is. I'm going to show you what I got in this mystery box. And to be honest with you, there's some pretty weird stuff. And in fact, you'll see in the video. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so before we start looking at all these, comment down below where you know I can get more mystery boxes like this. I've been looking around and a lot of them are mystery bags with one or two things inside. I want these bad boys with loads of stuff, very enjoyable to open. But let's have a look now, let's stop talking. So as you can see, gee, I shouldn't have picked this up. The box is battered. I don't know if anything was damaged because, to be honest with you, I don't know what half of it is. But inside here we got over 60, I think it was 64 items. But I'm not going to go through every one slowly. I'm going to fire through a lot of them, but the interesting stuff I will talk about. So one thing we did get is a rucksack, and to be honest with you, feels like decent quality as well. Like I said, bearing in mind that this was less than £30. So that was one thing that we did get in it, and to be honest with you, it wasn't that bad. Something's just dropped off the top, and we got a micro USB cable, probably worth about 5p. And then we got another rucksack. And this is Dragon Ball Z, and I'm guessing everything inside here is fake. But that's something else that we got. We got this little thing here, and I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's got like pinning plastic bits, so I don't know if you draw on that. Let me know in the comment section below if you know what this is. Another thing that we got is a unicorn t-shirt, and one thing I need to say is my wife and kids absolutely loved opening the things in here. That's why I didn't actually film me unpackaging anything, because they were in it as soon as it got here. But the youngest daughter absolutely loved over half the stuff that's in here. She didn't love the other half that I'm going to show you shortly though. In fact, this one here, honestly. These are trousers, and they're like a leather look. And what they are, they're laced down the sides. And you've also got a zip as well, obviously, so you can separate the middle bit. And I suppose this is like targeted at some kind of kinky buyer. But I did try getting them on and they don't fit. Let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like a pair of leather look laced trousers. We got this thing. I haven't got a clue what this is. Is this like a sports bra or... There's that many holes. I don't know. I don't know how it goes. Oh, I've pulled my neck. I don't know what that is. We got a little top that I'm not going to wear. We got this. This is like a leotard. It's got holes in the neck. And it's got a little strap at the bottom. And I think it's some kind of leotard. Like, I don't know what that is either. More clothing. More clothing. This one was funny. So when the box first came battered like this, the youngest daughter, she's only 6 years old, and she was like, "Daddy, can I open something?" Because they get excited. And I was persistent in saying no, and then I gave her one thing to open. And these are what she got. So she did say, "Daddy, I've got some leggings and they'll fit me, but they've got holes in." And the leggings, they've got holes in the sides and they're also crotchless. So it's safe to say she didn't want them, but I don't know what the holes in the sides are for. I don't know if they're for like suspenders or something. But another interesting little thing. We got this Vile t-shirt that the eldest daughter absolutely loves. There's a jacket, and to be honest, I wish this jacket would fit me because I do really like it. It did say that it was a large, but I think the Chinese sizing is a little bit off. I did come to terms pretty fast that Wish.com do sell a hell of a lot of kinky stuff. So they sent me this little hat. And then to go with the hat, we've got a policewoman's top. And then we've also got a policewoman's skirt. Something, once again, none of us are going to wear. And I know a lot of people are going to be saying on the Free Tech YouTube channel, why are you doing a video on this? Well, I bought it with the intentions I would get some tech products inside. But we will see if we get one in a minute. We got some Red Bull shorts. And no, that wasn't a clip that was repeated twice. They're just a different colour. We got a nice little jacket. We got a fleeced jacket. None of which fit me, by the way. We got another one of these, which, like I said, do comment down below if you know what they are. They come with these beads that stick in the top. So I'm not sure if it's for drawing or making different patterns. We got an Armani t-shirt. And like I said, they are going to be fake, admittedly. But the eldest daughter actually loves them. And they're not bad quality. Some Armani shorts. Once again, they're going to be fake. We got this, and I don't know if this is like a bra or something, I'm not sure. We got a bag with some of these in. I don't think I've opened one yet. What the? So you can just keep peeling them off. And I'm not sure what they are. Once again, comment down below if you know what they are. We got 2 pairs of these, and my youngest daughter, she's wearing a pair right now. She loves them. I think they're vile. One's purple and the other pair's pink. I will find the other one in a moment. But honestly, she absolutely loves them. And they are a designer brand. They're called Jiaduwang. We get a Superman. I don't know if that's a swimming cap. Should we try it on? Jesus, I feel like Hulk Hogan. Some more Armani shorts. It is Armani, that, innit? EA7. I might be totally wrong. I'm sure it's Armani. Well, it's meant to be. I know it's fake. We got a little phone case, and I think I might use this personally. It's got space for my photos and my cards, obviously my phone, and it's got a magnetic strap on. Oi, oi. We've got something in a little red bag. It's like a metal bracelet sort of thing with a blue ribbon round. We get a thong, or are they thongs or G-strings? Or are they for men? Don't know, if you don't follow me already on Twitter, go across, I might try it on and put a photo on. We get a pram cover. And obviously it's convenient because if you didn't already know, we're having a son that's going to be born in February. Very excited, but I highly doubt I'll be using this pram cover. We get a nice little towel. Look at this, and it's got a Velcro thing on it as well so you can wear it. I'm a big lad, so it wouldn't really dry me. Next is some god-awful leggings. They feel awful, and those are actually drawn on. We get something that's actually cute, a little girl's dress. And obviously anything here that is useful to somebody, I am going to be giving stuff away to different people. So it's not going to be wasted, and anything that people don't claim, I might send it you. Some more clothing, the other shoe, some more awful leggings. I think they're called leggings or tights. I think the leggings, those ones. This is hurting my head. I do apologise. Whoa. Also, that Superman swimming hat was for a baby because we get some Superman swimming shorts as well. Now, here's one thing that we did find very, very odd and very strange. So when I did order this box, my youngest daughter was 5 years old and she was just about to turn 6. And in it, we actually got a party balloon for a girl that's pink with the number 6. Now, when I was ordering from Wish.com, there wasn't no proper personal information. I ordered it with some totally different details, so they didn't know, like, who I was. And not only that, it got a little bit stranger, if stranger's a word, innit? So as I've just mentioned, we're expecting a son on February, well, the end of February, and we got another party balloon that's blue with the number 1. So to me, I found that a little bit like not disturbing, but a bit weird. We got some wrapping paper. We got a Rick and Morty, one of them things for your phone, I think, or like a work card ID thing. We got a pair of trainers, and these are mega light, and I'm going to give them my mother. Because to be honest with you, fashion isn't really a thing for her. She doesn't care what she wears. She does a lot of walking, and I think they're going to be sound for her, to be fair. We did get a pack of balloons, but my youngest daughter's been in them. There's golden confetti everywhere. So more party stuff. With more wrapping paper. Another bag. Not going to suit me personally. And I don't know if the strap's missing or if it's in the box. More birthday stuff with like crowns on with the number 12. A dog lead. Retractable. some sticky hoop things that might be for different wires or to separate wire, I don't know. Trying to find something electrical. Here we go. We get a power supply that would probably blow up your house. And I personally would never use. Is it a power supply for a PC though? Let me know once again in the comments section because I'm not actually that sure. We get a vacuum or a hoover for your car. And it's got a car plug on it as well. And I don't know if it can pop. Oh, guessing that pops off to clean the filter. So we're seeing some kind of electricals. I think that's the strap for the bag. We get some sort of umbrellas, pack of pencils, a dress that looks like, have you ever seen the movie Grudge? Looks like what she wears. I got 3 of these metal strap watches, awful things. But once again, youngest daughter absolutely loves them. Got 2 of these mats, I don't know what they're used for. Got a pair of these beautiful shoes, they're fleeced inside. They look a bit like shit flickers, don't they? Like I said as well, for £27 or £28 and then 30 odd plus delivery, there's a lot of stuff, isn't there? Some more like kinky lingerie, some a bit Christmassy. A little bag with like no fear and it's got a padlock in the back. We've got a few packs of these Rizzlers right here. And for those wondering, no, not personally. Pack of Poker Stars playing cards, and I'm going to stop in a minute. I'm not going to go through everything because I'm guessing you're getting bored, so I'm going to see if there's anything else worth showing. And a South Park one as well. Who else used to watch South Park? I used to absolutely love it. Some beard oil. I'll put that on there actually. An LED light bulb for your car. How did they know I don't need one? A bra. Right, so I'm going to wrap it up now. There's a few bits left in there, but they're not really any good or anything worth showing. I know a lot of people will be thinking, why have you done a video on a Free Tech YouTube channel of a box full of kids' clothes, random stuff, kinky outfits and that? And to be honest with you, I don't know. Originally, I did buy it for an unboxing on here, and I did think I was going to get a lot of tech products inside it as well. But comment down below the favourite thing you saw out of this box. The favourite thing for me, well, the thing that made me laugh the most was the leather look laced trousers. Right, and like I said, don't forget, let me know where else I can get mystery boxes like this, full of random stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm really warm, I'm sweating. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you soon. Ta-da!